And this is exactly how you consume garlic to fight kidney disease. Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. When it comes to protecting and detoxing your kidneys, eating properly prepared garlic on an empty stomach can make all the difference in the world. It can fight all the main risk factors for kidney disease, blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood glucose levels. And scientists confirm that. What you should know about garlic is that you need to eat it in a particular way to get the benefits. It doesn't work if you don't prepare it properly, if you cook it, or if you don't eat it on an empty stomach. Also, you should know that there are supplements that can provide allicin, the active ingredient of garlic, without the side effects of garlic, body odor. But not all supplements have the active ingredient, so I'll also show you how to choose the perfect garlic supplement, because it's a big goal what we're setting with today's video: delaying or completely avoiding dialysis. And garlic is a real medicine. It has a tangible, proven effect on the kidneys. So, question: can garlic really help repair the kidneys? Well, only science can answer. In this study, aged garlic extract at doses of 600 to 1500 milligrams was just as effective as the drug atenolol at reducing blood pressure over a 24-week period. As you may already know, you absolutely need to lower your blood pressure naturally if you want to stop the progression of CKD. And I'm putting the emphasis on naturally here. This is very important because pills have side effects. They lower your blood pressure, which you need to survive, but maybe they will mess up your serum potassium levels or some other very important parameter, forcing you to take more pills and to face severe dietary restrictions. Oh yes, the reason why people with kidney problems cannot eat bananas are ACE inhibitors, not kidney disease. Now, garlic, on the other hand, has no side effects, according to this study and many other studies. So, if you use garlic to lower your blood pressure, it means you may get rid not just of one blood pressure medication. It means you may even get rid of several medications. The other thing worth noticing about this study is that they outline a very specific range of doses for garlic: 600 to 1500 milligrams aged garlic extract. What this means is that if you want to use garlic to lower your blood pressure, you need a lot of garlic every day, prepared in a special way that I will show you in the next part of the video. Because just eating a couple of garlic cloves a day is not enough to get the same allicin 600 to 1500 milligrams of aged extract will give you. It won't work. They have tested this. Or you can take high doses of supplements. Now, kidney disease is not just high blood pressure. Many people have kidney disease due to diabetes. And according to a big review of studies recently published, a dose of daily garlic or allicin supplement ranging from 0.05 grams to 1.5 grams achieve a significant reduction in the level of fasting blood glucose in 1 to 2 weeks compared to the control group. Now, this is really impressive, a truly amazing result. But like for blood pressure, if you want to use garlic to get rid of your diabetes medication, you need the right dose, alright? Now, many patients also need to take a cholesterol medication, which, just like high blood pressure and diabetes drugs, will keep you alive, but at the cost of several significant side effects. What if I told you that eating garlic the right way could also replace your cholesterol medications? A 2016 study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine concluded that a garlic lemon juice mixture may benefit cholesterol. People in this study received 20 grams of garlic daily, which is around 4 medium-sized cloves, plus 1 tablespoon lemon juice at the same time of the garlic. Now, this is very interesting. In this study, they compared garlic plus lemon to just taking garlic and to just taking lemon. What they found out is that the effects of garlic alone on blood pressure was about the same of garlic plus lemon juice. But garlic plus lemon juice was significantly better than anything else at lowering cholesterol levels. We are talking about significant results here, comparable to what people will get from a cholesterol medication. Incredible, isn't it? With just 2 natural ingredients, someone with kidney disease could, in theory, get rid of half their medicine cabinet. Now, I've spent a lot of time studying all this material I'm showing you today, and I will show you in a moment what is the correct way of taking garlic to actually stop the progression of kidney disease while getting rid of half of your medicine cabinet. The other thing worth noticing here is that while statins, metformin, blood pressure pills have a long list of nasty, debilitating, and kidney damaging side effects, garlic has an equally long list of healing effects. In fact, other than lowering your blood pressure, your blood glucose levels, and your cholesterol, it will also improve insulin sensitivity in people with diabetes, protect your heart health, protect from atherosclerosis, protect from various types of cancer, fight oxidative stress in the body, reduce the inflammation in the body, detox the kidneys from heavy metals, fight kidney infections and infections in the body. This is all proven. So, you will feel a lot better really fast when taking garlic daily because of the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect. Yes, it truly looks like that if there is one food that's going to keep the doctor away, it's garlic. So, how much garlic should you consume daily and how should you prepare it? Okay guys, before we get into the practical part of the video, remember to consult your doctor before adding supplements to your regimen, especially if you are taking anticoagulant medications such as Coumadin or warfarin, because garlic is an especially potent remedy as we have seen. What many people don't know is that it doesn't contain any allicin when fresh. Yes, you heard it right. Allicin, the active compound of garlic, is not in it. So here is how you prepare garlic to get allicin. First of all, start with 2 medium cloves of garlic. Now peel them and then mince them. Now wait 10 minutes. Garlic contains one amino acid called alliin and an enzyme called alliinase. Alliin and alliinase are contained in separate compartments of the garlic clove. Allicin, the highly volatile compound that provides all the benefits of garlic, originates from the sulfur-containing amino acid alliin in a conversion facilitated by the enzyme alliinase. The miracles of science! When garlic is minced or crushed, the 2 ingredients come together to generate the precious compound allicin. And this process takes 10 minutes. And now, gulp it down with a glass of water with a tablespoon of lemon juice. This way, you are also going to lower your bad cholesterol levels. And this is exactly how you consume garlic to fight kidney disease, according to science. Best will be to do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and to take another 2 medium cloves of garlic in the evening. But this may not be enough for some people because, well, in many cases, not even ACE inhibitors plus statins plus beta blockers are enough to get the blood pressure low enough. The best strategy in this case will be to also employ some lifestyle and dietary changes that are also going to lower blood pressure. Good habits such as exercising, eating a plant-based diet, and avoiding junk foods can really go a long way when it comes to managing blood pressure and blood glucose levels. I'll talk more in depth about the good habits to fight kidney disease in this video. Now, what about garlic supplements? There are various garlic supplements to choose from. To find something that works, you will have to look at the label. First, to know how much allicin they contain. Now, this one I got here contains 2 milligrams of allicin per capsule. It's actually the strongest garlic supplement I was able to find. This is a garlic oil supplement, as you can see, and it's a good choice if you're in Europe. This is manufactured in Britain. Now, a very good brand you can find in the US is GARLIC. This product has almost 4,000 reviews on Amazon.com, and also it adheres to good manufacturing practices, which you should ensure your supplement is packaged and labeled properly. The aging process of the garlic also helps cut back on the strong garlic odor. Another brand you should be able to trust is BRI Nutrition. They also adhere to good manufacturing practices, and they state on the label how much garlic extract equivalent the soft gels contain. It's odorless garlic, so it shouldn't give you body odor problems. Now, what you should know about these supplements is that they usually contain between 2 and 5 milligrams of allicin per serving. Garlic cloves yield about 2.5 to 4.5 milligrams of allicin per gram of fresh weight when crushed. One fresh garlic clove weighs 2 to 4 grams. So you will have to greatly exceed the recommended serving size of any of these supplements to get the same allicin of a couple of garlic cloves. Should you do that? Again, consult your doctor. Okay guys, the bottom line is that you can actually use garlic to delay or completely avoid dialysis. I'm talking about a serious, proven step in the direction of repairing your kidneys. But you will have to be diligent and to do your own research on the subject. You will have to find which dose is right for you and write down all your lab results and parameters such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, blood glucose levels. Okay? Guys, a very interesting new video is coming next Friday. It's going to be about the best herbal teas to repair your kidneys. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.